receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receivers performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and special warm alarm tone will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Allen, Auglaize, Defiance, Hancock, Hardin, Logan, Mercer, Paulding, Putnam, Shelby, Van Wert, and Wyandotte. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station WXJ 93 Crydersville, Ohio. The Weather Service weather radio warning alarms of the KC-47 listening area of northwest Ohio. During particularly dangerous weather situations, sundown weather clouds are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Sunday night, these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. Tuesday, the test of the National Weather Service radio warning alarm